How to plant sod. If your lawn is in need of repair, sod can instantly make your lawn look lovely. This article will teach you how to plant sod. Things you will need: sod, rake, soil, knife, twine, lawn roller. Prepare the area on which you want to lay the sod by leveling it with the rake. Add some extra soil to the area and clean up any additional grass that might be in the area. Take the sod and inspect it to make sure that it isn't dried out. The ideal sod should be moist and green. Lay the sod in the area in rows, making sure that each row is straight. You can mark off each area by laying down the twine in strips as a guide. The rows of sod should be close together, but not overlapping. If an area only requires a smaller patch of sod, take the knife and carefully cut it to meet the lawn measurement needs. If there are any remaining gaps between the pieces of sod, fill them in with soil. Use the lawn roller to push down the strips of sod so that they are solidly in the ground. Water the sod thoroughly,